You know that I can't go like this. What this? Come on. No, can a person do this? Do this. Ah!
Okay.
I missed the monkey man. Hey.
I was holding onto Colin's armpits and I sort of let go, and he's suffering from armpit cancer. So, you know how I bought a new Canon camera. So,
awesome.
I'm giving Colin my old blue camera for $20 plus a camera bag plus a 4 GB memory card. So that's pretty awesome, right, Colin?
Mm-hmm.
You excited? So Colin will start vlogging now, won't you?
Mm-hmm.
And whenever he has footage that's interesting or funny, I'll put it in the vlogs. So, what are we doing tomorrow?
Bowling.
What was that?
Bowling.
With who?
Zoe.
Excited?
Yes.
Who's gonna win?
Probably you. She'll probably.
We're having this argument that, well, she knows deep down inside of her that I'm gonna win, but she's trying to convince herself that she'll win, but I'm the master of masterness. I think you'll win too.
Because I beat you in Las Vegas.
Yeah, we were bowling in Las Vegas, and I beat him, and he beat me, so that was pretty awesome. There's an icicle out here. I think I showed it to you earlier. Oh poop, this is like really scary.
I know, it's deep.
It is. But earlier I showed you the icicle. Look at that. Oh my god.
Dun, 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 dun.
That's neat. And look at the tree. Here. I want this one. Ah, it's called. So, I made this yesterday. It's Flash. From the Dukes of Hazzard. That looks really cool. Okay, and then Colin and I made this. I made the body of the car, and he like thought of. Here, wait. When you smush it against this car wheel, it makes an impression.
Personal. Does it? Does it? Well, try the new smaller one. It's better. It's the best. The best flip-flop that you can find in the smallest size for a mouse or a Kindle.